Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to schedule a post on Twitter. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, open browser, then sign into your Twitter account, and after that here we can see the option to tweet something on Twitter. So inside this tweet section you will find this option schedule. So we have to click on this schedule icon, and after that here you have to select your schedule date, day and the year. Also you have to select the time in hour, minute and seconds. So let's go to set the time from December 17 and year 2021, and hour will be 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. and okay, after that when it's set up, click on confirm, and after that now you have to write something here. So I'm going to write here hello, and then you have to click on schedule, and after that here my post is scheduled now. And if I want to check the schedule post, so all I have to do, again click on this schedule icon, and now clicking on scheduled tweets, and here we can see the tweet I just scheduled. This was how we can schedule post on Twitter. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.